Hey guys, and welcome to Project Bachata instructional videos. This is a place to be to learn everything about bachata, starting off with the basics. Now these videos will be provided both in English and Spanish, so if you prefer to watch these instructions in Spanish, please click the link below. Remember that sharing is caring, so if you enjoyed these videos, share the love by clicking the like button and sharing the video below. Now let's get started. Hey everyone, and welcome to Project Bachata. I'm El Flaco, and with me we have Daniela, and we are here to teach you how to do the left and right turns. If you haven't already done so, please make sure that you watch the side-to-side basics, as we have already covered the fundamentals there. So let's get started. Let's get started with the right turn, but before we do so, let's go ahead and do a half a basic. So 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, tap. Now to begin our right turn, what we are going to do is that we are going to open up in that direction. Okay? The one thing that we don't want to do is step directly to your side and turn. What you want to do is open up. This gives you a head start. Number one. Number two, you want to make sure that as you're looking in this direction, you're not bumping into anybody. And number three, as we are doing our turns, we are spotting. So when we start off, we look in this direction. To complete our turns, what we're going to do is that we're going to walk around. So 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, let's do that one more time with a half a basic. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, tap. 5, 6, 7, tap. One more time. 1, 2, 3, tap. 5, 6, 7, tap. Perfect. Now let's go ahead and demonstrate this to the left. Same concept. In this case, we are going to open to the left. Let's go ahead and go straight into it. 1, 2, 3, tap. Let's do another one. 5, 6, 7, tap. Open up, tap. 5, 6, 7, tap. Perfect. Now let's go ahead and demonstrate this in the other direction. We're going to go and start off doing right turns, starting off with a half a basic. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, tap. 5, 6, 7, tap. Another. 1, 2, 3, tap. 5, 6, 7, tap. All right, now let's demonstrate this to the left with 2 turns. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, tap. 5, 6, 7, tap. Open up, tap. 5, 6, 7, tap.
Excellent. Now that we have learned how to do our left and right turns, let's go ahead and demonstrate this with a partner. This time, the leads are going to turn. Same concept, half a basic. 5, 6, 7, 8. Right here, I am prepping myself. This time around, she is going to track me. I'm going to do the pizza hold. And one thing that I do want to mention is as the leads are turning, especially for those of you who are taller than your follows, do not open up outwards, because what this creates, her arm isn't going to be able to extend over my head. So what I'm going to have to end up doing is kind of getting down to get myself around. So as you're doing your turn, you want to make sure that you step in as close to her as possible, and make sure that you keep an eye on your elbow, because you don't want to elbow her. Okay. 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let's go ahead and demonstrate this to, let me see, that was, all right, so let's go ahead and do a left turn now for the leads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.